Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. In this video we're just going to test the sound quality on my brand new Lenovo Tab 2 A8. So this tablet comes with dual speakers. So here at the top we've got one speaker there at the top, and we also have another speaker down here at the bottom. Also this tablet has Dolby Digital surround sound. So here's the application. So we're just going to open it up. And when you open it up, as you can see, we've got this nice layout for Dolby Digital Atmos. So as you can see, it's a graphical EQ. So we've got all these different settings and stuff here. And you can adjust the settings to get better sound for movies, music, games, and also voice. So I'm just going to play this demo real quick and tell me what you think of the sound. I've got it fully turned up. So yeah, this was just a quick sound test. Let me know what you think of the sound quality in the comment section down below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. I'm out. Deuces.